So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the second day of Magic of Vedic Mathematics. Yes, Ganesh, Anita, Nesargi. Okay. So very first thing, a heartful gratitude and thank you for joining on the second day. So now you are at the second step towards the learning of Vedic mathematics. Yes. So what about the first step? Have you completed with the homework? Yes, Kalyani, I received your homework. So how did you find it? It was easy or difficult?
Easy, sir.
All done.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Ganesh, you didn't find the homework. Otherwise, do you have any doubt in what we did yesterday?
No, sir. Everything's clear.
Did you check with your father right now? No.
Yes, sir.
So you missed it, huh? You should have talked yesterday itself. Then you would have got it. Okay, Arman, what about the homework?
Sir, I got it 20 minutes before the class.
Okay, no issues. Otherwise, any doubt in the topics?
No, sir.
And where is the third one? Is not joined today. Okay, yes, Nesargi, you can chat if you're finding difficult in responding. Yes,
हेलो सर
yes, Nesargi.
नैसर्गी ने कल किया सब और आज होमवर्क भी फिनिश किया। उसको सिर्फ एक ही सम में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आया, फिर उसने आपका वीडियो देखा ना कल का, तो उसको समझ में आ गया।
No issue. See, it is for the first time and देखो जो भी टॉपिक्स किए हैं कोई ज्यादा टाइम तो दिया नहीं, तो कोई बात नहीं। डाउट आना इस बात का प्रमाण है कि हमने प्रैक्टिस की। I don't mind. You asked me 100 questions today about yesterday. I'll feel pleasant because that means you have tried. But if you have no questions at all, and then you don't have any doubt, and then you don't know, so that is not a good situation, right? So whatever are the doubts, whatever the question was, or wherever you have any doubt, you can ask today also, right, Mona? Okay. Anyone else? Any questions? Any doubts? Okay. So now, yesterday we discussed why Vedic mathematics. What are the advantages of Vedic mathematics? Why should we learn Vedic mathematics? Now, today we'll be discussing more because I told you this workshop is not only learning of Vedic mathematics. It is learning as well as launching your classes. Might be Ganesh, it might not suit you right now, Arman, because you are still students. So very good for Anita, Nesargi, and Kalyani. Yesterday, what we discussed was what are the benefits of learning Vedic mathematics. Now, today we'll be understanding why it is interesting or why it is required to learn Vedic mathematics as a teacher's aspect, from an angle of a teacher. What are the opportunities or what are the benefits of doing this subject or learning this subject or becoming a trainer or a teacher for this subject? So as far as Vedic maths is concerned, now you all should be very much clear that this subject has been added into our national education policy. Now, National Education Policy 2020 is being implemented now. If you see Man Ki Baat also, in thrice our Honorable Prime Minister, he has talked about this thing. Yes, Vedic mathematics is good for students, is good for entrance examination. Correct? So now, since this subject has been added, so today or tomorrow, you all have to learn it. From students' point of view, you have to go through this system and you don't need to worry. This will only help you to improve your mathematics, to generate that confidence in you. I told you yesterday also, it is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. And second, it gives you the feeling to attain that feeling. Yes, I can. So when yesterday you did that 19-digit question, Ganesh, did you feel something excited? Ki, yes, this can be done, which was really impossible earlier. We never used to think,
Yes, sir.
correct. So that is what. I was there in Kathmandu in Arvindo Ashram, and that coordinator, she said a very right thing after the workshop. She said, this subject gives you ability to think. And since then, I have added this. Yes, it gives you an ability because you can think in a different manner. Today, whatever we'll be learning, you'll see the same thing can be done in number of ways. We'll be learning skills with 4 different methods. So that means we'll be able to think more, right? Now, one thing is national education policy. Second is, can we avoid mathematics in our daily life? So when we cannot avoid mathematics, so we need to learn them. We need to conquer them. What happens? We are always struggling through this subject. That is the difference. Today, even a class 1 student, if you want to change the school, they have to appear for an entrance examination, even for class 1. And what does that entrance examination has? It has maths as well as English. Now, English you can cram, but what about mathematics? If you have fear of mathematics, how will you do it? Adding to this, you know what happens after 10th class? If you're not able to do good in mathematics, your teacher recommends that you should change your subject from to arts, commerce, or medical. They never recommend you for non-medical. Why? Because that has mathematics. But let me tell you, this recommendation itself is wrong. Now, why it is wrong? Suppose today you've taken arts, commerce, or medical in class 11, you pursue with it in 12th, you do the graduation in arts, commerce, or medical, done. After graduation, if you are willing to do MBA, generally people go for it. So that means you are not eligible. Why I'm saying this? Because any good institution of management, any good institution of management that has an entrance exam called as CLAT, in that you have to appear for mathematics examination. So if you have not taken mathematics from past 5 years, that is 11th, 12th, and graduation, how will you go have that courage to appear in that examination? So that means your career is half finished. Just because you shifted or you didn't opted for maths earlier. I'm not saying medical is not good, but the thing is, why should we run away? Why should we have that fear factor? Are you getting my thing? Yes, Kalyani, Nisargi. Is it clear why I'm saying maths is important and why we cannot?
Yes, sir.
So every entrance examination, it always has maths in it. You talk about any entrance examination, it will always have a maths paper. So now the time is race against time because everyone knows maths, that's clear. But there we have to crack those questions in lesser time. So our motive at that time is not only exam. Our motive is to finish that exam in a lesser time. So that is race against time. Okay? So for that, Vedic maths is very important, right? So talking about the opportunities, Very first thing, you can start with Vedic mathematics classes right from your home. Nesargi, like your mom is taking tuitions, mathematics tuitions. Now, you are teaching school mathematics, correct? Yesterday, also your mother asked me, how can we inculcate this subject with the school mathematics? Now, here's the answer. See, very first thing, after the implementation of this subject, school will not ask you to go by that format itself. It will not ask you to do the question with the help of that, the steps which we have done in mathematics. It would be either with Vedic maths concept you can do, or with the conventional mathematics. This is one option that is there. Second thing, why we are thinking just to complete our exam, our school exam. Why don't we think in this way? We can solve the same question with Vedic mathematics, and we'll have that advantage that we can verify our question with the conventional. Right? This will give us more confidence, and we will never go wrong. And extra knowledge always pays off. It is not that will not. The best part is it can be inculcated. So whatever topics you are teaching in mathematics right now in tuitions also, the same topics can be done with the help of Vedic mathematics in the much simpler way. So students will be benefited, not they'll be losing anything. And I'll give you a live example within 2 minutes. Wait for that. So you can start with Vedic maths classes right from your home. Right, Kalyani? This is one option. Second, if you are financially stronger, you can start with training institutions. Why? Because it is a requirement. It is a need of the hour. So many teachers need to be trained in the country. So many students who are facing difficulty. Just try and announce one workshop. You'll see how many students you can get. Yes, students are more in offline. So try to announce it offline. Correct. Third, if you think, no, I cannot take my house classes at my place, I cannot have a training institutions. So then you can opt for home tuitions. There are people after COVID who don't want their children to go out, and they ask the teachers to come at their place and teach. So same is the concept with Vedic maths. You can also move to different homes, societies, or apartments, and you can train the students. So these are the 3 options which you can work as a freelancer and earn a good, huge amount. Right? So Vedic mathematics is becoming the key job prospect in this decade. If you want a permanent solution, you want a permanent job, definitely jobs as a Vedic math trainers there are number of openings. Just see for the jobs options. You'll find so many people, so many schools who are asking for Vedic math teachers at their campuses. Now, yesterday itself, if you want, I received one from Toronto, Canada. They want a 3 days workshop in their school. So a live workshop for 3 days they want on Jan 4th, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So this way, once you'll start, you'll get that options, right? And if you're already running such institution, you are already taking tuitions, you are already running some competitive examination institutes as some teachers do. At that time, you can add this as an additional component, because cracking competitive examinations with the help of Vedic maths is the best solution. This is the best way to crack any entrance examination, because you save time in Vedic maths and it is easy to understand and learn. Right? Any doubt, any questions you have? Yes, Nesargi. Mona, your doubt is clear now or not? Still you have any questions you can ask?
Sir, in the board exams, they need to show the work, right?
Yes.
Like, so this one, it won't be affected for that.
See, first thing is, in board exam, when you're talking about it, you are talking about past. Why I'm saying this? When it was the same, at that time, was Vedic maths implemented in the schools? No. Now it
Now
is
it's CBSE board implemented, sir.
no. No,
Oh.
only Rajasthan school board implemented 5 years back. They are continuing with it. Now it is for every board, every school, every institution. It is known as National Education Policy 2020. But due to Corona, it could not be implemented. So first time now, only 23 only schools will reopen. Na? Properly, schools were not opened in 2020 or 2021. Half the time it was closed. So the policy could not be implemented. Now only the policy would be implemented. So once it is implemented, then it would be used. See, I told you I am going in the first, we are going in the first phase. I'm teaching all the 10,000 government school teachers of Haryana because they have to implement this. I'm teaching all the schools of Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir because they have to implement in their schools. So things are working. People are working on this. Government of Gujarat announced on 29th, 27th December 2022, 21, sorry. Okay, yes, they are going to implement. So everything takes time because even when they have to implement, they need first is the workforce. Where are the trainers? Where are the teachers in every school? So you cannot implement a policy without having the background. What's my point? So things are going on its pace. But the thing is, if we know this would be implemented, if students know, yes, it is beneficial for us, so why cannot we learn? See, we spend so much on other things also. Right. So that is what one thing more is there. As a teacher, as a pioneer, as a trainer, I generally ask this question to every teacher. Once you got a job or once you were appointed, after that, did you ever try to upgrade yourself? Did you ever try to learn anything new? No. Because we feel whatever is needed, that is done. Now I got the job, I should train in the same manner. Now see, I'll give you the life example. Okay, first was the homework. So homework everybody is able to do, and Kanish can that. So Kanish, please try today, and you can send me on my WhatsApp or at the same place where it has been asked. Just listen to him. Okay, the voice is bit low. I'll translate. Now he is Mr. Syed Hussain from Nigeria, South Africa. Last year, if you can see the date, it is 22nd April and 21. So he learned last year from me. He was maths teacher at his school. But what he gained now? In the class itself, he is teaching the students with the easier method. Now, that is the answer to your question also. It's not only marks in board examination. How many students nowadays are continuing with their 11th and 12th regularly? How many students? Only 5%. 95% of the students are trying to appear for the competitive examinations and they are practicing for that. They are not in their schools. They are physically present at the competitive institutes. They are either present in Kota or some other institutes. So that means they are not bothered about school board examinations. It is just a formality for them to just clear that. They are more focused on entrance examination. So this is what he did. He's a maths teacher, but now he's teaching with his Vedic maths concepts also. So what he gained? Yes, I will not say he's getting good salary after that. No. But what he gained confidence in the students. Students are more happy now. Their parents are more happy now. Even he's getting tuition work at the evening to teach Vedic maths, so that math subject becomes easy for them. So this is the positivity. Correct. Before that, okay. How many of you know about Quora? Yes, Ganesh. Quora पता है क्या होता है?
Sorry, sir.
Quora, Q-U.
No, sir.
Google
No
पता है?
idea.
Google पता है?
Quora Digest.
Yes, sir.
जैसे Google पे आप कुछ भी सर्च करते हो, you find it. Quora is a place where you write any question and generally you get the solutions for that. So it is known as a question bank. Anything, any doubt, any question you are not able to solve right on this, people would help you out in that. So it is a place where people solve your problems. It is a place where they give you solutions, they give you answers. So if you see in Vedic maths, I'm the most viewed writer in the world. Now this is giving only 2,000 something views. Today, if you check, it is more than 19,000. If you check with the current situation and just search for Vedic mathematics, you'll see. So why is it so? Because people are looking for this subject and I'm answering to them. I remember last year, somebody was looking for a scenic school examination. They asked me how to solve LCM and HCF and I answered them there. So you have to work in that manner. One thing more. Now, Karesh, she was just class 10th last year. You know, in class 10th, she became the first international trainer of Vedic mathematics. Now, she's training not even class 10th, even seniors, juniors, both. So if they can do, why not you? I don't want ki, okay, you should start with your job or profession right now, but you can implement this subject. You can use this subject for your knowledge or for your school examination or for entrance examination to crack those examinations. See, whichever competitive institute you go, they'll be teaching you these concepts, these tricks only, and they'll call, yes, I'm giving you a trick. But in fact, in actual, they are Vedic mathematics concepts only. Right? So if they can do, why not you? So you can do it. It was not difficult, na? Yes. Kalyani, हो जाएगा?
Yes, sir.
कुछ
Sir,
motivation?
how many years it will take for students to learn everything?
No, this definition is wrong. Everything means everything we cannot learn in our lifetime also. Everything
Yeah,
has
that
no
means
boundary. See, everything has no boundary at all. But yes, if you think about class 3rd, class 4th, class 5th, so they need hardly 3 months. Class 6th, 7th, 8th, they need 4 months. Now you say why it is different? Because class 3rd, 4th, 5th will be teaching as per their syllabus, na? As per
oh,
their level. Na?
yeah.
Now to the class 3rd, 4th, and 5th, you cannot teach calculus, you cannot teach trigonometry or geometry. Got my point? This is the way. It does not take more than 4 months. And as a teacher training also, it takes only 4 months to learn,
Okay.
right? So let's start with the mind exercises. Please take out your paper and pen and we'll start. So the first topic is scale. So what is a scale? Yes, Arman. Yes, sir.
Sir, when we multiply a number by itself.
Okay. Yes, Kalyani.
Yes, sir. Same for me too.
So generally we write it as n square. This is how we write, which means n into n, correct? So if we have to find a square of 1, it is 1 into 1, that is 1. Square of 2 is 2 square. So 2 into 2, that is 4. Square of 3 is 3 into 3, that is 9. So we need to remember squares of first 10 digits so that we can find square of any bigger number, right? So first of all, please write down this table and in your notebooks, please write down. Done?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, so we'll start doing. First topic is finding pairs of 2-digit number. Okay. So what is, first I'll ask, what is, how do you calculate this 19 square? How will you calculate?
19 into 19 will multiply.
This way?
Yes, sir.
Arman, any other?
Sir, this way.
Nesargi? Same. So if number is 89, then also 8, 9, 8, 9. Yes, Ganesh? And so many.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see a very simple way. We just learned what is square of 1?
1.
1.
I write in 2 digits initially, right? Square of 9,
81.
this is my step 1. Is it difficult to remember? Because we all
No, sir.
know squares of first 10 digits that you have to remember. See why that table is very important. Today I'll tell you that table is important for 2 things. Finding squares of bigger numbers. Bigger does not mean 2 only. 5, 6, 10, any digit number you want. That is possible with the help of that table only. Apart from that, finding square roots by just viewing that, by just observing that, right? So step 1 is clear. We will find square of individual digits. Done. Step 2. Now in step 2, what we'll do is we are able to see 3 digits. If I just think this way, it is A, it is B, and it is 2. Correct? This is how. So in step 2, we'll multiply all these numbers. That means we'll find out 2AB. So 2 into 9 into 1 is 18. I will not write anything below 1. nothing to be written below unit place. 18. Add it. Did you get it? Yes, Nasargi, is it clear? Kalyani?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, one more example I'll give first. 24. Yeah. So 2 square is 0, 4. 4 square is 16. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 576. Finish. Now, why I said keep to have it in 2 digits? See, for example, 21. So if I'll ask you, square of 2 is 4. Okay. What is square of 1? Yes, Ganesh. What is square of 1?
1, sir.
Right.
1.
But I cannot write 1. See, if I write 1 over here, what is the problem? If I write 1 over here, 2 into 1 into 2 is 4. So is it 81? No. See, actually try to understand this.
0, 1.
Yes, why we have to write 0, 1? Because whenever you multiply two numbers, if first is A, if you multiply A with B, it is always AB. Means a 2-digit number. So that concept you should never forget. Yes, on the left hand side, it will hardly matter 0 because left hand side 0 is not has no value, but on the right hand side it has. So what is the answer? 0, 4, 0, 1 and 4, 4, 1. This 0 can be avoided, but cannot be avoided this side. So why it cannot be avoided? You need to understand, whenever you are multiplying two single digits, the answer is always in 2 digit. This is a basic rule. Clear? Okay. So let's practice. So what is square of 23? Please answer on the chat box if you're not able to speak. Otherwise, speak up. Fast, Kalyani.
Five 29.
529.
529.
Increase your speeds. 27.
Seven 29.
34.
729.
Very good. 34.
1156.
156.
48. Yes, did you get for 34? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1921.
48.
2304.
Nasargi, you are also wrong.
2, 3.
See, very first thing, understand how will you get 1 at the last? 4 is 16, 64, 32, 64. So 4, 0, 3, 1. Nasargi, check your answer. Sorry, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
56 here.
Three 3136.
3136, sir.
Yes, Arman. Nasargi. 77 square.
Five nine two nine.
5929.
Yes, Arman,
5929.
Ganesh,
5,
Veer,
5,
Veer, you're not answering anything.
फाइव पॉइंट टू नाइन लाख
Okay. 84.
चालू ज रख क्या लग
So 64, 16, 64. 7056.
7, 0,
फाइव सिक्स सिक्स थैंक यू
Clear? Any doubt? Any questions you have? Okay. $87 square. $87 square.
seven, 5, 6, 9.
64, 49, 56. Now see, here 8 into 7 is 56. So what is double of 56? 1, 1. Yes. What is 56?
1, 1, 2.
Very good. So only this is to be covered. So 9, 6, 5, 7.
सर हम ऐड नहीं करेंगे 1 को फिर?
कर तो रहे हैं 6 और 1 7 कर दिया ना.
नहीं सर, जो टेंस प्लेस में है उसको हंड्रेड्स में.
किया तो है. कौन सा रह गया देखो.
अच्छा आ गया सर.
Okay, so what is largest two-digit number?
99.
99.
What is 99 scale? $81, 81, 162. So 9.
Sir, 9801.
Now at least you took some seconds to solve this. We'll take another method where this would be much more easier. We'll learn, don't worry. Any doubt in two-digit numbers? Up till here.
No, sir.
So I told you this method is for two-digit numbers. But we can go for 3 also. It's not 3 cannot be done. The only thing is we are more comfortable up till 2. There are several other methods. As I told you, there are 13 methods in Vedic maths. Okay. Now this can also be written in another format. Now what we were doing was we were writing a square, b square, and 2ab down. Correct? And we had to be very careful that this b is written in 2-digit. This can also done in a vertical way. See, this was a vertical, horizontal also you can do. Do you remember what was a plus b whole square?
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
Correct? We'll use the same formula, but in a different manner. I will not write directly this. I'll write A square bar 2AB balancing line B square. So what is the difference? Clearly, what happens if somebody gives you what is square of 21? In normal maths, it was like you used to do 20 plus 1 square. So 20 square means 400 plus 2AB means 40 plus B square means 1. So you were writing 441 like this. Yes, this was how your approach.
Yes, sir.
Now see how simple it becomes in Vedic maths. Now 21 means A is 2, B is 1. We don't have to do fully. A square is 4. 2AB is 4. B square is 1. This is your answer. As it is 441. Is it clear? So how helpful is this balancing line? The only thing is, yes, if it was 29, here it would have been 81. Here it would have been, see, for 29, it would have been 0, 4 or 4, 36, 81. At that time, 1, 8 gone here, 4. So it becomes 44 and 4 goes here back. 44. Clear? Let's, we'll practice. Just we did 99. So we did 81, 81, and we did 162 here. Right, this we did. Now we can also do this way. A square, 2AB, B square. So A square is 81, 2AB is 162, B square is this. So 1 here, this becomes 170. So only 0 here, 17 goes further, so it is 98. Now it is clear. See how helpful is this balancing line? Yes, Kalyani, any doubt?
Sir, in this 8 plus 2, 10, okay.
Not
And,
8 plus 2, not 8 plus 2. You should add
Okay, 2 plus.
Otherwise, how will you do? 8 plus 2, 10, you cannot write separately.
Yeah.
2 plus 8 is
And
170. That's why I wrote for your only, I wrote 170 here. But
okay.
one has to have single digit. Yesterday also we learned.
Yeah,
Every
yeah.
balancing line should have single digit. But today I'll change that also. Now it is clear. So both the methods are with. You can write
Sir,
down.
this one, last one, please explain for me. Sir,
Which one?
once. 99 square.
This is clear.
Yes, sir.
So here also I have done 99 square. It is basically A, B square. A is also 9, B is also 9. So what is the formula? A square, 2AB, B square. Earlier we were writing in the format A square, B square, and 2AB. Here I am writing in a horizontal manner. Here I was writing in a vertical format. 91. What is 162? 81. So how many digits can I have here at the unit place?
1.
So 1 here. What will this
Yeah.
go? This will go here.
Yes.
So what
10.
is 162 plus 8?
So 0, it will come 0.
What is 162 plus 8 first?
160, 170.
So only 0 would be holding. 17 goes further. What is 17 plus 81?
Okay, sir. I got it.
Use balancing line. See, yesterday also I told you half of Vedic maths work on this balancing line. Everything would be easy if you understand the balancing line. Now again repeat 88 with the help of this format, with the horizontal format. Please do it.
Sir, 7744.
77 लग अच्छा उधर वो फास्ट काटने
Eight one four four.
64, 128, 64. So 4 as it is, this 6 goes here, it becomes 134. So 4, 13 goes here, 77. So 7744 is your answer. Correct? Why I am giving you this horizontal? Because for bigger numbers, this becomes more easy. This here you get confused. You'll understand now. Clear? One more last, 76, please solve.
Five double 7 6.
577.
Yes.
Five 776. Yes.
Okay. So now it's clear. Any doubt in 2-digit numbers? Okay.
No, sir.
Now another thing you'll be learning today. 102. This is a 3-digit number. So when you get 3-digit number, we'll take this as A, this is B. So A square becomes 100. Correct? 10 square is 100. 10 into 2 is 20, into 2 is 40. B, I told you write in 2 digits. Even in this format, if you write in single digit, then also there is no issue. 4, this 4 goes here. So 10404 is the answer. See, 3-digit number and so easy. Otherwise, this is your way.
सर
Yes.
हम ए के अंदर 2 डिजिट से ज्यादा नहीं ले सकते हैं, जैसे
Yes.
पूरा 102 ले लिया।
तो फिर बी को क्या लोगे?
नहीं 4 डिजिट नंबर हुआ अगर सर।
हाँ करेंगे, वो समझाऊंगा। उसके पहली चीज, ये जो मेथड है इसको हम ज्यादातर 3 डिजिट में भी नहीं लेंगे। 102 तो बहुत आसान था। सपोज मैं भी आपको क्वेश्चन दे देता हूँ 987, तो 98 का स्क्वायर निकालना अपने आप में मुश्किल हो जाएगा। आज ही आपकी जो आपने डाउट पूछा है, I'll solve. Give me some time. I'm giving you 3 methods today and I'll explain the difference. Right? So I'll answer to this question practically. Verbally अभी समझ नहीं आएगा आपको. Practically you'll understand. Is it clear up till here?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, at one's digit, one's place, there we have written 4. So in previous questions we were writing 04.
Right. I told you. इस मेथड में ये बेनिफिट है, आप 04 भी लिखते हैं तो भी क्या होगा, 0 का 0 ही रहेगा. So best way of this is, even if you write in single digit the answer, then also it will not affect. Before writing, I was mentioning this only. Now see, you write on 04. So that is one benefit of this method, ki even you make a mistake, you'll not go wrong. Got it? Clear out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nasargi, is it clear? Now a test for all of you. हाँ क्या टेस्ट तो होगा. My question is, I wrote A as 10. I took A as 10, B as 2. Can I take A as 1 and B as 0.2? If yes, can we solve? Think over it.
Sir, no, sir.
सर कर सकते हैं सॉल्व.
अच्छा, तो क्या करेंगे अरमान, कल्याणी, नैसर्गी?
Sir, in maths, in European method also, we do pairing from left side, and after points we do pairing from right side.
छोड़ दो यूरोपियन मेथड के पीछे. आज कल यस कल्याणी, it's good. Don't mind it, yeah.
No,
Don't mind.
sir.
It's wrong. You can do it. See now
सर कर सकते हैं.
see how it has to be done. But now some rule has to be changed. Before answering this, I'll give you another question. 121 का square निकालने, suppose. Now listen. Now see very clearly. No, don't write first C. First में मैं A को 12 मान रहा हूँ, B को 1. Correct? So A square becomes 144. This becomes 24. This becomes 1. So answer is 14146. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, Nasargi, any doubt? Kanishk, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now see, if I say A is equal to 1, B is equal to 21, then A square becomes 1, this becomes 42, this becomes 441. But now you'll say answer is wrong. No, it is not wrong, idea. Now, since B is double digit, see, I have already fixed unit place as 2-digit number. So that means every place value will have 2 digits. So only this 4 will move. So answer would be 14641. Same. I told you yesterday कि only 1 digit in one balancing line. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But today I'm saying 2 digits here. Why? Because we have fixed the unit place ourselves as 2 digit. See, both the ways are correct. But why we should know this method? Because Arman was saying 4 digits होंगे तो कैसे होगा? अगर 4 digits में हम इसी को फॉलो करते रहेंगे तो हमारा आंसर कितना लंबा हो जाएगा? Did you understand? Now since B, see B was single digit, so everywhere single digit. Unit place single रखा था ना हमने. यहाँ हमने unit place को खुद define कर दिया double digit number. So that means every minimum हर जगह 2 ही आएंगे. Clear, Arman?
फिर उधर 1 तो सिंगल डिजिट रह गया.
कहाँ पे? यहाँ. तो 0
Yes,
रखा,
sir.
फिर क्या हो गया? लेफ्ट में अगर एक डिजिट भी लगा लिया तो क्या होगा? लेफ्ट मोस्ट में तो फर्क पड़ता भी नहीं. लेफ्ट मोस्ट में 3 थे तब भी क्या फर्क पड़ा था? Always
Yes, sir.
the difference comes in middle part and the rightmost part. It never affects leftmost part. Because यहाँ पे आप ऐसे भी लिख दो तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं है. Correct. Now I'll solve this again. So A square becomes 1. 2AB. So 02 है. इसको हम 2 डिजिट में ही लिखेंगे 04. And B square. 2 square is 4. Again 04. So 104, 104. So see, in a single line you are getting answer. Here you use 2 lines. It is you need to understand this. If you are fixing unit place to 2-digit number for your easiness, you can do it. One more example I'll give you. 9, 1, 3. अच्छा, आपके अकॉर्डिंग चलूं मैं. If I put A as 91, B as 3, or if I put A as 9 and B as 13, which is easy to solve?
Second one, sir.
Sir, 8 and B is 30.
Which one, Kalyani?
9 and 13.
Why? Because this is smaller. These are smaller.
Yes.
So 13 we know 169. 9 we know 81. So what is 13 into 9? Speak. 13 का टेबल भूल गए?
13.
117. So that means 234. But here it was we need to find 91 square पहले, क्योंकि वो याद तो रहेगा ही नहीं आपको. So 91 square क्या आएगा? 8281. And then 91 into 6. कितना आएगा? 546. And then 9. So 9, 6, 54 goes here. So this becomes 5, 3, 3, 8. And here 69. हम 2 digits ले सकते हैं. 1 goes here. So 35 from here. 2 goes here. Only 2. So 83. Now you decide which is easy. Is it clear or not? Very first thing. तो myths तोड़नी पड़ेंगी. Different ability to think. This is Vedic maths. एक way से कुछ नहीं होगा. There are so many ways to solve each and every question. Yes, Kalyani, is it clear now, Nesargi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kanishk.
Yes, sir.
This was the right example or not? क्योंकि 91 को कितना मुश्किल 82, 81, 546, 9. This was difficult. This was comparatively easy. Arman,
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear.
chalo. Okay, let's solve some questions. So this, as when we started, I said this technique is best for 2 digits. Why not 3 digits? Because for 3 digits, I'll give you another way. Very simple for you. Okay, solve this. 237. Please solve using both the techniques. A as 23 or A as 2. Both. And see if you get the same answer or not. Done.
Sir, 56169.
अच्छा, आपने बुक्स में से चेक किया था कितने डिजिट के स्केयर्स थे, क्वेश्चंस थे? Ganesh, please repeat the answer.
सर 56169 सेकंड मेथड से चेक कर रहा हूँ जिसमें A2 है और B37.
कोई बात. Yes, Ganesh sir ji. What is the answer? Arman, Kalyani.
Uh, I did something wrong, I think, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, बताओ.
20169.
पहले आपने A क्या लिया?
A2 and B37.
ओके, 2 का मतलब 4,
4, yeah.
करेक्ट. 37
Yes.
का स्क्वायर कितना आता है?
371369.
परफेक्ट. ठीक है.
1, yeah.
And 33 into 37 into 4. 37 into 2 into 2.
148.
ठीक है. तो क्या हुआ? 2 डिजिट लेने हैं यहाँ.
Yeah, that's
तो
69.
69 यहाँ आ गया, 13 यहाँ गया. तो 13 जाने का मतलब 1, 6
161.
और ये 1. So 61 आ गया. 1 goes here, so it becomes 5. So 5, 6, 1, 6, 9. ये ज्यादा इजी है. अगर
Yeah, while adding, I did this
no issues,
16. I have taken here, sir.
no issues. और अगर हम 23 लेते A, तो 23 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 529. 7 का 49. 23 into 14 is 322.
The 320.
So 9, 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 32 goes here, so it becomes 561. Finish. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, chalo, solve this. Then I'll go for another method. So both the ways it would be same. But and just take a estimate how much time you are taking for this.
Sir, 998,001.
998.
982,001.
No, that is wrong. It is 998,001, and this is verbal. You will understand how it can be done verbally. This is a question of multiplication and so many other methods. So you took more than 2 minutes, correct? Same question we'll solve by another technique, and you'll see how fast you can do. Okay, last question for you is 75 square.
Sir, 5825.
5625 is the correct answer.
Yes, sir,
5625.
562.
562.
Now, all of you took more than 40 seconds for this. I'll tell you how to do it in 1 second. Correct. So second technique, second method would be finding. Yes, any doubt in that one?
Sir, can you please solve 75 square?
I'm giving it to you. Finding square of numbers ending with 5. And you all would be able to solve every question within 1 second. See how it happens. Finding square of numbers ending with 5. Yesterday we did first sutra, e kadikena purvena. So same, using e kadikena purvena. This is a sutra. I told you this sutra would be applied number of times. Now see, for example, 15. See, this answer will have 2 parts. 5 will always give you, what is the square of 5?
25.
So you don't have to worry. Whenever there is ending with 5, answer is always 25 on the right hand side. Left hand side, whatever is this number, multiply with 1 more. 1 more means, what is the next number of 1?
2.
1 into 2 is?
2.
So answer is 225. 25. What is 2? What comes after 2?
3.
3.
So what is 2 into 3?
6.
6.
So answer is 625. What comes after 3?
4.
What is 3 into 4?
12.
12, 25. So now is it clear or not? How fast? Same, 7. What comes after 7?
8.
What is 7 into 8?
56.
56, 25 is the answer. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
We'll repeat. Everything will repeat, but first I'll tell you why it happened. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Just see. The formula was a square to ab, b square. Correct. Now, this was formula of ab square. Now I'm saying ending with 5. That means it is something like a5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So a square, 10 a और 25 आ गया. ये समझ आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो ये क्या हुआ? a स्क्वायर प्लस a को मैंने इधर भेज दिया, 2 को इधर कर दिया, 5 को इधर कर दिया. फिनिश. व्हाट इज a स्क्वायर प्लस a into a plus 1. और इसको मैं इकट्ठा भी तो कर सकता हूं, 25. So what is this? I'm multiplying that number a with 1 more. हम अगर इसी में पुट करते हैं वैल्यू a स्क्वायर 2ab, इंटू बी स्क्वायर 75 का, तो 7 का स्क्वायर था 49, 35 का इंटू 2 हो गया 70, बी स्क्वायर था 25, ये देखो 2 इधर ही तो जाएगा, 5 2 और 7 इधर जाके 56 ही तो बन रहा था। बट इतना कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत क्या है? When the number is ending with 5, very clearly फर्स्ट नंबर को उससे एक ज्यादा से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, मल्टीप्लाई विद 1 मोर, और सेकंड आंसर आपका 25 ही आएगा। 5 का देयर कैन नॉट बी एनी अदर आंसर। यस, नाउ इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
चलो, we'll repeat everything. So what is 15 square? Speed. What is 15 square?
225.
What is 25 square?
625.
Yes, Kalyani. Arman. 35 square.
1225.
45 square.
1225.
2025.
2025.
55 square.
3025.
302.
65 square.
4225.
4225.
75 square.
5625.
देखो आपका वहां
62.
गलत हो गया था। अब now you got it, Kanish. You were wrong there.
Yes, sir.
Now you can never be wrong. कभी भी गलती होगी ही नहीं आपसे।
Yes, sir.
85 square.
81 to
72.
हाँ?
7225.
Yes, कल्याणी, 81 कैसे हो गया?
I thought 9 I did, sir.
What is 95 square?
9025.
925.
What is 105 square? 110. 10 into 11 is 110.
110.25.
What is 115 square?
144.25.
गलत। कल सिखाया था 12 into 11 क्या होता है?
Sorry. One. 130.
13225.
भूल के 11 into 12 132। कल का फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला 12
Yes, sir.
12 into 13 क्या होता है? 156 25। 13 into 5 क्या होता है? 13 into 14 सॉरी। देखो मल्टीप्लिकेशन छोटी छोटी भी नहीं आती। यस, 13 into 14।
18225.
18225.
18225। 145 square। तो 14 into 15 is 210। 25। अब इतने तक याद हो जाएंगे। Was it
Yes, sir.
see लो 205 21 into 2 42 0 25। Now you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this was easy. Within 1 second you can do it. The only thing is you should know the tables. Yeah, you should know what is 12 into 13, what is 13 into 14, and 145 square generally आता है paper में. And we spend so much of time. 145 we take 2 minutes, and here we took 1 second, if we remember. Got it? Yes, Kalyani. Interesting or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you are attending, not your mom, so I cannot ask your mom today. Yes, did you understand? Nasargi, did you understand everything? Good. Now, second thing. So you took so much of time in this, correct? I'll give you one more trick. So this is known as, third method is called as universal method. Of finding yes. Right. Now this works on the principle of sorry. A plus 1 into A minus 1. This is the basic principle behind this. How we solve will understand. Let's take a very simple example first, 23. Now, one method we have already done. 2 square, 3 square, 2ab, or 2 square, 2ab, and 3 square. This we have already covered. Another easy way to solve this. The target is, I want to remove this 3 and make it 0. Is it possible? How can I make 0 at this position and remove 3? Yes, Kanish. 3 को 0 कैसे करेंगे?
सर 20 लिख के आगे 3 ऐड कर देंगे +3.
+3. मतलब इसमें से 23 - 3 कर दें तो भी तो 20 आएगा.
यस सर.
Yes, Nasargi. Any other way? अगर 7 ऐड कर दे तो भी तो 30 हो जाएगा, तो भी 0 आ गया. Yes, Kalyani. The very first thing, don't be biased on one say. This is the point.
सर 77 ऐड कर देते हैं,
Oh,
2 भी 0 बन जाएगा.
इतना लंबा नहीं करना, उसका कारण बताऊंगा अभी. देखो, so 23, if I subtract 3, it will become 20. I told you this works on the principle A minus B, A plus. So whatever you subtract, you have to add also. 23 plus 3 is 26. You just have to multiply these two. 26 into 2 is 520. And square of this, either this or this, same है. Answer is 520. दूसरा, 23, अगर मैं इसमें 7 ऐड कर देता हूं तो इट बिकम्स 30. 7 ऐड किया तो 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करना पड़ेगा. आई गेट 16. 16 into 3 is 48. 7 square is 49. Again 529. Did you understand? Yes, कुछ समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
नहीं. Yes, Arman. Nisargi. See, the point is, why I wanted 0? To make the calculations easy. Just see for an example. 999 आपने क्या किया था, इसके लिए 9 स्क्वायर निकाला पहले 81, फिर 99 स्क्वायर निकाला 9801, फिर 9 into 99 into 2 किया 17 something. So many calculations you did and then you found the answer. Here, see the answer. Plus 1 किया 1000, minus 1 किया 998. Now anybody can multiply 998 with 1000. Simplest thing in life. और 1 का स्क्वायर 1, आंसर आ गया. For what you did so many calculations, here nothing has to be done. Only one add kiya, one subtract kiya, finish. Got the answer? लिखना नहीं है ना सर की first try to understand. Is it clear? I'll give you time to write. Yes, Arman.
Sir, all clear.
फर्क समझ आया? See, that first method I told you it is good for 2-digit numbers. 3 digit आते ही हमारी calculations बढ़ गई थी. यहाँ calculation ही खत्म हो गया. So when there are less calculation, there are less chances of silly mistakes, and there are more chances of your confidence building. And Vedic maths will give you so many methods to solve entire one question. Now you can write down this also example. First you can write down this to it. So this is called as universal method. Written now, this one. All are silent. क्या हुआ, सब कुछ ऊपर से चला गया?
सर अगर हम नंबर ऐड कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर फिर क्या करना होता है?
कैसे मतलब?
ऐसे 27 है, उसके अंदर 3 ऐड किया तो फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें 3 माइनस करना है.
देखो मैं बता रहा हूँ, दोबारा बता. हमारे पास 27 है, हमने दोनों चीजें करनी है. +3 ऐड किया तभी तो 30 आया. अगर हमने प्लस करके 30 किया तो हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करना है. अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट पहले किया तो ऐड करना है. मतलब बोथ द एक्शंस आपको लेने हैं. तो 24 आ गया. व्हाट इज 24 into 3? क्या होता है 24 into 3?
72.
ठीक है, 72 0 एज इट इज आ जाता है. और 3 का स्क्वायर कितना हुआ? 9, 729. अगर आपका 31 था तो पहले एक लेस किया. अगर यहां लेस किया तो यहां मतलब बैलेंस करना है आपको. अगर ऊपर ऐड किया तो नीचे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. वो तो दोनों ही सेम चीजें हैं. लो 32 into 3 कितना हुआ? 6, 96. और 0 आ गया और 1 जुड़ गया तो 961. बट इजी क्या इसलिए हो गया कि अगर हमने 31 का स्क्वायर निकालना था तो क्या करते? 09, 3 into 2 is 6, 1. This way answer. छोटे के लिए तो that method was very good, but 3 digit में ये मेथड आपका ज्यादा इजी हो जाएगा. Clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more. So see, for example, 213 स्क्वायर निकालना है आपने. कैसे करेंगे? Yes, Kalyani. What should be added? What should be subtracted? Arman,
सर 3 और 13.
क्या easy रहेगा?
13.
So why 3? Don't think of that option जो आपको tough करे. Yes, Nasargi. What should be
3,
added? Yes,
3 and then 3 minus.
see, I'll give you. Don't take it only unit place. अगर 3 minus करोगे तो 210 आ गया और plus करोगे तो 216 आ गया. Can you multiply 21 with 216? No. So the best was
सर डिफिकल्ट हो जाए.
subtract 13 itself. 200 आ गया. Finish. यहाँ 226 आ गया. तो 2 से multiply करना 226 को कितना easy है? 4, 5,
552.
2 और 2 0 लगा दिए. 13 का स्क्वायर हमें पता ही है 169 होता है. 4, 5, 3, 6, 9. Finish. Don't worry. धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. Got it? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
और एक करो.
Yes sir.
Do practice 1, 1, 2. Now what should we do?
100
12.
plus 12 plus minus 12.
करो करो. What is the answer?
Sir 125 double.
Sir 12544.
Very good. Nisargi, you're understanding or not? Is it clear or not? You can chat if you're finding it difficult to. 309 here.
Sir 954.
9.
And 5481.
Yes, Kalyani.
95481, sir.
So were you able to calculate that things? Good. Chalo. 475 here. 25 square 625 होता है. याद रहेगा आपको. बताया था हमने.
Sir
Sir
225
225
625.
625.
तो अगर इसका वो तरीका भी था.
Sir 5 वाला.
हाँ, तो 47 को 48 से कर सकते थे. बट वो अभी आपको आगे का सिस्टम नहीं समझाया मैंने कैसे करना है. यहाँ पे 2 स्टेप्स आते, वहां क्या हो गया, कितना इजी हो गया, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ ये देखो 5015 कर सकते हैं। Just be back in 1 second.
Sir, 25150225.
Okay. So any doubt now?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is very good. So see, similarly, there are techniques where you can find numbers ending with 4, numbers ending with 6, numbers ending with 9, numbers ending with 25. 5 we have already covered. See how easy it became with 5. And generally you don't get such big numbers. Up till 8th class, 9th class, you don't get more than 2 digits or 3 digits. So that you can do at least verbally now. Clear? Any questions you have? So yes, Arman, you had a question that if it is a 4-digit number. Now see, this is a 4-digit number. So I can opt A as 50, B as 15. This is one way of the earlier method only. But will it be more comfortable for me to go for this that technique for 4-digit, or this concept would be easy for 4-digit?
So this concept.
Got it? That's why that method was very useful for 2 digits. Even 3 digits which are near to 100. But the bigger numbers, because here I'll find first 50 square. Then I'll find 15 square. Then I'll find 15 into 50 into 2. So that's why, so 3 times calculation. And here I'm just adding the last digits. That is very easy. Multiplication is very easy because we are trying to multiply with single digit number, which every one of us knows. Got it? So till now we were not having any different technique. We were having only one method, multiply each other. As the definition says, multiply the same number 2 times. Clear? Any questions you have?
Sir, all clear.
All
No,
clear.
sir.
So now, okay, we'll move further. Moving back to the so We'll start with first I'll just brief you with this, and then we'll start with how to launch your classes. So that would be more useful for Nisargi and Kalyani. For both of you, you can wait and you can also listen, because it is important to understand how online work can be done. And thereafter, we'll be starting with cubes, correct? So this was the first thing we did, right? The screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So this was the first method. 23 square. See, same question. 409. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 09. And then we leave the unit place and write the product from tens position. So again, you'll be getting the notes. If you have not downloaded yesterday, you can do today. 95. Second was using E Kadikena Purvena. So A into A plus 1 and B square. So 115 we did. Universal method. 26 square. So plus 4 minus 4. Right. 52, 97. That can be done. 213, 112. Any questions you have? Yes. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll start with cubes first, and then you can leave also, and we'll continue with the launching section in the third part. Right, Kalyani, and so that they don't have
Okay.
to wait. Right.
Okay.
So now, what is a cube? What is the cube of a number?
When we multiply the number by itself 3 times.
Yes, Kalyani.
Yes, sir. Same answer.
N into N into N, correct? So if it is 1 cube, it becomes 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. If it is 2, it becomes 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Correct? So the very first thing is, again, you need to remember, see, in order to find bigger numbers, you need to remember cubes of first 10 numbers. So please write down this table. And as I already told, this table would be very useful for finding cubes of a bigger number as well as for cube roots. Right, so please write down this. Good. Arman written? Kalyani?
Writing.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Nesargi, have you written?
Done, sir.
Okay. So let's move further. Now, again, we'll start here with finding the cubes of 2-digit numbers. And mostly you have seen that we don't have bigger than this in books also, in your examination also. So 10 we have already covered. So we'll start from 11 to 99. Correct? So we'll find the cubes of numbers from 11 to 99. Correct? Now to make it more interesting, to make it more happening, let's divide all these numbers 11 to 99 into 4 types. First type, numbers starting with 1. So which are the numbers starting with 1? Yes, Arman. 11, 12, 13,
21.
up till 19. Correct? Any
Yes.
type 2, numbers ending with 1. So what are the numbers ending with 1?
11, 21, 31, and so on till 91.
9. Very good. Third, numbers having both digits same. So that is 11, 22, 33, 44, and 99. Correct? Fourth, numbers left. So that can be 23, 24, 98. Up till here, if any question you have, we'll do. So please write down this. This is just to make the finding cubes very interesting, and you'll love this way. It would be as easy as A, B, C. Done? Arman, Karesh, Kalyani?
Yes, sir.
Arman.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Okay. Now, suppose the first question is 12 cube, number starting with 1. Okay. Just try to find the cube of 12 in normal manner. What is a cube? In normal manner, see how much time you are taking.
144.
144 is square. I'm asking about the cube.
One seven two eight.
1728.
Okay. Now see the magic. Four steps. These are the numbers starting with 1. First, create 4 spaces. Second, don't write first, Arman. See, I'll give you time. 1 at first position, 2 at second position. Third, we'll find a square of 2. What is square of 2? What is square of 2?
4.
4. We'll find cube of 2. What is that?
8.
So 1, 2, 4, 8. I'll get very easily. Fourth step. 1, 2, 4, 8. Now here in squares we left this place. Here we will just double these middle terms. Only we'll work on middle terms. What is double of 2?
4.
What is double of 4?
8.
16.
16.
Not here, double 2 times. I'm not, please understand,
8.
double.
Okay.
This becomes 8, this becomes 12, this becomes 6, this becomes 1. So what is this? 1, 7, 2, 8. No big calculations. 1, 2, 4, 8 you can write very easily. 1248 and middle terms double it. Did you understand? I'll give you more example. Please write down once, then I'll give you example.
सर
Yes.
सर अगर जैसे 2 है उसमें ऐसा नंबर होता है जिसका ऐड करके 2 डिजिट आता है नंबर,
यहाँ पर
तो फिर यस सर।
तो कोई बात नहीं ना, अभी करेंगे वो भी एग्जाम्पल। तो क्या हो गया, जैसे यहाँ 12 भी तो आया, तो यहाँ का आगे चला जाएगा। आई गिव यू एग्जाम्पल।
ओके सर।
ये लिख लिया।
यस सर।
चलो
Yes, sir.
एक नंबर लेते हैं 16। चलो मैं पहले 2 स्टेप्स नहीं लिखता, डायरेक्टली लिखता हूँ 1 6। स्क्वायर ऑफ 6 इज 36। व्हाट इज क्यूब ऑफ 6? क्यूब ऑफ 6 टेबल लिखा था क्या?
216।
216
6 का डबल 12, 36 का 72, 216 7 108 18 1. So only 6 means here, 21 goes here means 9, 12 goes here means 30, 0, and 3 goes here means 4.
4096.
Is your answer clear? Is your question solved now, Arman?
यस सर।
See, again, balancing line. This is only going to help you out. Without balancing line, nothing can be done in Vedic maths, because that will confuse you. Clear or not?
ऑल क्लियर सर।
So solve 13 cube. Kalyani, please solve 13 cube. Tanesh.
टू 2197।
2197.
How easy was it?
वेरी मच।
Otherwise, ये होता ही नहीं है. Okay, solve one more. Yes, Kalyani, did you get the answer? Kalyani, did you get the answer?
I'm little slow, sir.
No issues. 1 3 9 27 6 18. So 1 9 27 27. So 7 9 11 1. Finish. Now find one more. 15 cube.
Sir, 10575.
So गलती होगी.
सर 3375।
Yes, Kalyani. Yes, Kanish, क्या हुआ?
Sir, while adding, I'm doing some mistakes, I think.
Not to worry. You can practice today. It would be done. Right. Otherwise, see. 1, 5, 25, 125. So 10, 50. So 1, 15, 75, 125. So that is
This all I did correct, sir, but last one.
5, 87. So 7, 8 goes here means 23. 3, 2 goes here, so 3. That's why I'm writing this 8 here. Otherwise, not required also. See,
I got the same answer, sir.
okay. See, there you were doing 4 time multiplication and then twice adding. So here you are not doing that much. Got it? Any doubt? Now you can solve 11 to 19. Yes, Arman, any questions? Ganesh, any questions?
Sir, all clear.
Very good. Now let's go for second
All
method.
clear.
Numbers. Nesargi, you are not answering. You can chat your answers. Numbers ending with 1. So let's say first number is 21. Any hint how we can do this?
Sir, first square 21 and then multiply it by 21 again.
So that is your way. Again, 4 spaces, but now you have to reverse it because it is ending with 1. So 1, 2, square of 2, 4, cube of 2, 8. 8, 4, 2, 1. Double it. 8, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9. Finish. Yes, Arman. Now tell me which is easy. Your method or my method?
Sir, your method.
Think this way. When we have done the first technique, second was just thinking about the same pattern, not on the initial one, conventional method one. Done. Did you check in the books? What were the questions? I asked you, both of you, yesterday to check in your books. Clear, Kalyani?
Yes, sir.
So please solve 31 cube.
Two 29791, sir.
29791. Very good. See, you are able to do everything. Yes, Ganesh and Arman, Nesargi.
Sir, 29791.
Yes. Nesargi, you are not answering again. Okay. One last you did do 61 cube.
Sir, 226981.
Sir, 2269.
So now easy. Yes, Kalyani. You're doing
I
good.
will-
Doing good, huh? Do what?
While adding, I'm little confused, sir.
Don't think. Don't think negative. That's all. It would be done. Okay, last 91 cube.
Sir, 745381.
बिना कैलकुलेटर के कर रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir.
7. बोलो बोलो.
745381.
गलत है. चेक करो.
सर यही तो आ रहा है.
ये तो आ रहा है. सोचो क्यों गलती हो रही है 91 में. वन 9 81 और यहाँ क्या आएगा? What is
Sir,
9?
729.
Very good. 162 18.
सर
Yeah.
753571.
अभी तो कुछ और बोल रहे थे आप.
सर गलती.
हो गया ठीक. 1 7 2 here 5. So 24 goes here. 7 5 3.
Sorry, sir, I forgot that step to add them.
Yes, sir.
कोई बात नहीं.
I was directly doing 118, 162, and 729.
कोई बात नहीं. ये क्या हो गया? हो जाएगा. Third, when the numbers are same, can you think what will be the answers? How? Can you think?
Sir, I know for 11.
बोलो.
Sir, first we will take 4 places
हाँ,
and then put the 11
हाँ,
in the first 2.
हाँ. Then
Sir, then the procedure we did for the first one.
हमने कभी भी 2 डिजिट तो डाले ही नहीं. I'll not take 11 first. I'll take 22. 4 spaces थी. What is the cube of 2?
8.
But we'll
8.
write cube at every place. That's all. Cube of a number is to be written at every place. This is your answer. If number is 99, what is the cube of 9? 729. So 729, 729, 729, 729. So यहाँ पे double कर लो बस. And you get the answer. So ये तो सबसे easy है. It's just like a game. निकालो आंसर 99 क्यूब का. यस कल्याणी. इजी है. Easy or not? Yes, what is the answer for 99 cube?
So 970299.
Very good. Yes, Arman.
Sir, doing.
कोई बात नहीं. पर ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा ना कि नहीं हो पाएगा.
सर मुश्किल है थोड़ा.
No, sir.
मुश्किल तो कुछ भी नहीं. अगर पेपर में अगर वैसे भी तो 99 का करते फिर भी तो मुश्किल आती थोड़ी सी. फिर हम क्या करते हैं, 99 को 99 से करते, 9801 आता, फिर 99 से करते.
सर यूरोपियन मेथड से तो इजी है.
कौन सा?
आपके वाला मेथड, वैदिक मैथ.
यही तो चाहिए. यूरोपियन में कई चीजें नहीं. अगर आपने डिविजिबिलिटी पढ़ ली है तो आपको 7 की डिविजिबिलिटी नहीं आती. आप पूछ लेना किसी से भी. इनकी डिविजिबिलिटी डिफाइंड ही नहीं है मैथ्स में. यहां तक कि मैं ये
7 की तो है.
7 की भी नहीं है, वो एक्चुअली बताया गया है. सपोज ये क्वेश्चन है, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन बता रहा हूं. इसको क्या आप साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं?
बोर्ड मास.
नॉट बोर्ड मास. इट्स नॉट बोर्ड मास बिकॉज इसमें बाकी तो लिया ही नहीं हमने कुछ. हमारे पास एक ही मेथड है. हम इसको सेग्रीगेट करते हैं. प्लस को इकट्ठे कर देते हैं और माइनस को इकट्ठा करके ये करते हैं. Because simultaneous addition and subtraction is not possible in mathematics. But ये question can be solved in one line in Vedic maths. तो उसके लिए एक टॉपिक होता है विनकुलम नंबर, वो समझना पड़ता है. कोई बात नहीं. यस कल्याणी, व्हाट वाज द आंसर?
751089429.
इतना तो नहीं था. 970299 चेक कर लेना. कोई बात नहीं.
Well, adding, I need little more practice, sir. While adding, I'm doing some mistakes.
Just think of it. You are a teacher. At that time, what will you say to the students?
I'll practice it, sir.
Now the fourth, the left out numbers. अब इसके लिए आपको फॉर्मूला ही याद करना पड़ेगा. That is a cube, a square b, b square a, and b cube. A cube, a square b, b square a, and b cube. If you remember, हम बार बार क्या कर रहे थे, इसमें ट्वाइस कर रहे थे इसको. अगर ये हम ट्वाइस करें ऐड, तो जानते क्या बन रहा है ये? What is this? It is your formula of a plus b whole cube, which you generally write
Yes,
as
sir.
a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a. But प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम अपनी कन्वेंशनल में we add. Here we don't add, we put a balancing sign so that the calculations are reduced. Correct? So we need to remember this much: a cube, a square b, b square a, and b cube. एक बार ये लिख लीजिए. Then we'll start. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, I will moving it first. Now let's take a question. It's not in first three categories, so fourth kind of. A की वैल्यू कितना हो गया 2. What is B? 3. What is A cube? 8. What is B cube? 27. What is A square B? 4 into 3, 12. What is B square A? 18. Put the values 8, 12, 18, 27. Double it. 24, 36, 27, 54, 36, 8, 7, 6, 1, 1, 2. Clear? Or any questions you have?
सर समझ नहीं आया.
23
Sir, I also don't get it.
23 को क्या है? A और B की वैल्यू क्या है? 2. B क्या है? 3. So what is A cube? What is A cube? 8. B cube क्या है?
8,
27. A square
27.
B कितना होगा? 12. 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. B square A. हम तो वैल्यूज पुट कर रहे हैं ना. ये
सर
फॉर्मूले.
लेकिन फिर अच्छा ए स्क्वायर है.
अब बोलो बोलो.
नहीं सर मेरे को लगा ए क्यूब इंटू बी कर रहे हैं.
नहीं. हो गया. नाउ क्लियर. और कनिष्क कल्याणी.
Yes,
Yes,
sir, clear.
सर हम इनको फिर पिछले 3 जो टाइप्स थे उनमें भी
वही कर रहा हूँ, वही कर रहा हूँ. ये लो. लेट्स से अब आप देखो पिछले जितने भी टाइप्स किए वो सारे भी इससे निकल जाएंगे. फिर बात ये आती है कि फिर हम एजुकेशन में कुछ इंटरेस्ट कहाँ से लाएंगे. लेट्स से हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था 12. तो ए की वैल्यू कितना होगी? 1. ए की वैल्यू कितनी हुई? 2. व्हाट इज ए क्यूब? 1. बी क्यूब 8. ए स्क्वायर बी 2. कितना? ए स्क्वायर कितना हुआ? 1.
Sir, 2.
2. और बी स्क्वायर ए कितना हुआ? 4.
4.
वैल्यू पुट कर दो 1, 2, 4, 8. तो हमने उस गेम में भी तो यही सीखा था. फर्स्ट डिजिट एज इट इज, फिर 2, सेकंड डिजिट, फिर उसका डबल, फिर उसका क्यूब. सेम आ गया. देखो हर बार फॉर्मूले से करोगे. अगर ऐसी सिंपल क्वेश्चन था 21. तो ए की वैल्यू क्या होगी? बी की वैल्यू क्या हुई? 1. तो ए क्यूब कितना हुआ? 8. ए स्क्वायर बी कितना हुआ? 4, 2, 1. यही हमें ऐसे लिखा था 1, 2, 4 and 8. लास्ट तक तो हर एक में सेम रहेगा ना. डबलिंग द मिडिल टर्म. 22 का अगर a की वैल्यू भी 2 है, b की वैल्यू भी 2 है, तो a क्यूब कितना हुआ? 8. b क्यूब कितना हुआ? 8. a स्क्वायर b वो भी तो 2 into 2 into 2 8 ही हुआ. So what I said, write the cube of on all the positions. तो बैठ के that is the ability to think. बार बार आपको मैं यही समझा रहा हूं कि आपकी सोच को बदलना है कि yes, things can be done in an easy manner. Why should be dependent on one single formula? Now is it clear? Yes, Kalyani.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. Needs practice.
Yeah, that everything needs practice. Now class में अगर एक ही क्लास में आप सोचो पूरा वैदिक क्लास आ जाए तो that's not possible. Right? Though when we join the workshop we expect अच्छा सारा हो जाएगा complete. अरे यार कैसे complete हो जाएगा? It is not a yes. Please find out 34 cube. Done. Yes, what is the answer? कल्याणी गलत ही तो होगा इससे ज्यादा क्या होगा?
Sir, 39304.
Very good. क्या रहा कल्याणी आपका? देखो a cube 27, b cube 64, a square b 9 into 4 is 36, b square a 16 into 3 is 48, 72, 96, 64, 4, 144, 8, 108, 27. So 4 as it is, 6 goes here, it becomes 150. That means 0. 15 goes here means 123. So 3. 12 goes here means 39. Clear? अरमान
Sir, all clear.
तो कहाँ अटक गई थी सुई? आंसर नहीं दिया आपने.
Sir, calculate कर रहा था.
Yes, Kalyani, now it's clear or not?
I need practice, sir.
Why don't you have confidence?
I'm little confused when I'm adding and last when I did.
Do you know what you are doing? You're continuously feeding your brain that I cannot do. I cannot do. The more you think this way, the more you'll be in. So think this way. This is very easy. I can do.
Yes, sir.
चलो कोई बात. एक और करिए. 67 cube. Solve, I'll be back. Done?
Sir, 300763.
Very good. Very good. Any questions now in squares, cubes you have? Now, generally you don't get a 3-digit number in cubes because you don't never get such big numbers. But if it is there, for example, I'll take one simple example right now. The same example, 102. So make this A, make this B. So A cube is 100. A square B, 200. B square A, 40. And B cube, 8. So 8, 0, 4, 1, 2, 0. Clear? Is it clear or not?
Sir, explain it again, sir.
I did wrong and everybody was quiet. What explaining? It is a 3-digit number. I took A cube. What is
Yeah,
cube of 10?
cube of 10 is 100.
What is A square B?
A is 10 and 2. Okay, 200, sir.
What is B square A?
B square A 4. B square is a 4 and a 40 is a 40. Yeah, correct. Got
B
it.
cube?
8.
Are you get afraid? Have confidence. Double it. 8, 120, 600 and 100. So 8, 0, 2, 61 will go further. So 161208. Any doubt now? Any question now? And the same thing. You can do this simply also. Make A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, 2. So then A cube is 1. A square,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, you have written A cube as 100, but A is 10, so cube will be 1000.
Yes. Good. Very good. ठीक है मैंने पहले भी एक गलती की थी याद है मैंने डबल नहीं किया गुड मिस्टेक्स हो जाती so A as 1 B as 0 2 so again 1 cube is 1 A square B A 1 ही है वो 0
2.
B square A so 0 4
0 4
8
0
why
8.
because two digits have to be there correct now doubling 0 4 0
0 4 0 8.
क्या बन गया ये देखो ज्यादा सिंपल बन गया 2 1 1 0 6 ये देख आंसर आ गया 106 1208 बोथ द वेज मैं 0 को एग्जांपल क्यों लेता हूं क्योंकि यहीं पे कंफ्यूजन होता है आपका अगर मैं 112 लिखूं आप इजीली सॉल्व कर देंगे बट 102 में आप सब कंफ्यूज हो जाते इज इट क्लियर नाउ यस कल्याणी
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so only one question last we'll try 1 2 1 because we have already done 12 cube we have done 21 cube please solve using A as 1 B has 21, and A has 12, and B has 1. Please solve and see what is the answer. So this is the last for the cube. Though you don't get 3-digit numbers, such big numbers in cubes, but I've given you the way how to solve that. And in case you find any problem in your books also, in school books, regarding these all 4 topics, you can send me on my WhatsApp. I'll answer to it. Right, Ganesh? Arman?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
1771561.
1771561.
Yes, sir.
Good. So both the ways you got it?
Sir, I will do the second one.
Okay, good.
I
Yes,
mean, it's
Kalyani.
more than half time.
Yes, Kalyani. कल्याणी आदि हिम्मत नहीं छोड़नी है, आता है पर पहले ही वो हो जाते हैं कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, ये मुझसे नहीं होगा वाला एटीट्यूड छोड़ दो, हो जाएगा। सोचो मैं कर सकती हूँ, रोज शीशे के आगे खड़े होके आई कैन डू, सी द चेंज इन योरसेल्फ देन। Whatever you find difficult in your life, let it be anything, just stand in front of mirror and say I can do this, I can do this, and see you'll be getting the idea how to do that. This is nature always supports you. The only thing you need to have that confidence to accept it.
Sir, my answer is coming wrong.
क्यों? कहीं गलती हुई है?
Sir, दोनों ways से अलग अलग.
को आना नहीं चाहिए ना। चलो करें।
Yes, sir.
1 पहले से करते हैं। a cube is 1, a square b 21, b square a 441. What is b cube? 21 का क्यूब क्या था, याद करो। 9. Yes. What was 21 cube? यही तो
441 cube. Okay, sir.
करेक्ट। ओके, देन इसको डबल किया 882, इसको किया डबल 42, सो 9261 3213 361. Now 2 digits are allowed because it b is 2, so 61 92 अगर यहाँ जाएगा तो क्या होगा? 5 1, ये 1 4 हो जाएगा, तो 1 5 1 4 आगे गया तो क्या हुआ? 77 and 1. Yes or no? So 1 7 7 1 5 6 1. अच्छा, अब इसको रिवर्स कर लेते हैं. A is 12, तो A क्यूब कितना हुआ? 12 क्यूब कितना था? याद करो. 1 7, याद है? बिल्कुल भूल गए हो. 1728.
172.
Correct. So that was A cube. A square B, so 144. B square A. Yes, B square A
12. 12.
and 1. So 1 24 2 8 8 36 2 3 4 1 7 2 8. So 1 as it is, 6 as it is, this 3 goes here, it becomes 5. 43 goes here, so it becomes 1 7 1 7. Now tell me. Yes, Arman. कहाँ
सर ऑल
गलती?
क्लियर.
नहीं, गलती कहाँ थी ये बताओ.
सर
Sir,
मैंने
in
तो की नहीं.
first, sir, in first where A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 21, I have written B is equal to 12. And in the second method, I forgot to add them. 144 and 288.
Now
I
it would be done.
directly,
Now it would be done.
yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
questions
sir.
you
Sir,
have?
silly mistake.
कोई बात नहीं. Any questions you have?
No,
So, as a student, for you, both the topics have been done. For the teachers, we'll be starting with how to launch their classes. In case you are interested, you can continue, not an issue. Any doubts regarding scaling, cubing, anything you have? Yes, Kalyani. Any question? Nisargi. Nisargi, आज कोई आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो, कल मम्मा दे रहे थे क्या? You have to answer. See, if you will not participate, maths cannot be done by just watching it. मैथ्स एक मूवी नहीं है कि हमने वीडियो देखा हमें समझ आ जाएगा. जब प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आंसर गलत भी होंगे, ठीक भी होंगे, और वही कॉन्फिडेंस देगा हमें. गॉट इट? अगर हम बिल्कुल ये सोचें कि हमें आता है, तो मैथ्स इज सच अ थिंग, आता है तो वो बिल्कुल आते हुए भी क्वेश्चंस गलत होते हैं. राइट? दिस इज व्हाई मैथ्स इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ टफ, बिकॉज we know the things, but still we go wrong because of some silly mistakes. And that time we are not able to judge whether it is correct or wrong. अभी तो मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ कि yes, it is wrong. बाद में कैसे करेंगे? But don't worry, Vedic maths has a solution for that also. See, in Vedic maths, you can verify your answers within 1 second. There is a technique called as digital root or digit sum or Namashesh, by which you can find whether the answers are correct or not. And when you know this, when you know how to check your answers, then your confidence is always double. Right? It is like somebody is helping you out. Like right now, you are asking me, sir, ye theek hai. So if in an exam paper, I'm not there and you know the method how to verify your answer, then how much helpful it would be. Correct? And this is a reason why whenever you go for an exam, your teachers, your parents say, attempt those first which you know by heart or which you know better. Why? So that first you can do those questions and then you can go with the tougher ones. The basic idea behind that is you should not lose the confidence in between. Right? But if you know the verification method, then every question is easy for you. So we will learn such techniques when we are going for a complete course. There we have all such methods, right? Any questions you have? So now we'll be starting with how to launch your classes. Now,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, is this topic necessary?
no, it's not necessary for you. Told you earlier on. You can leave if you
So
want.
can we go because we have a class at
Yes,
5.
yes, please. Right?
Thank you, sir. Good evening,
You
sir.
have to do the homework now.
Good
Don't give
evening,
me
sir.
excuse tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
share the homework with your father's number. And moreover, I don't have complete name of Arman and the third. So certificate, how will be certificate issued? So
Sir
send me,
Arman Sodi.
ऐसे नहीं होता ना, भेज दो नाम उसमें पूरा, ताकि
Okay, sir.
आपका सर्टिफिकेट ई सर्टिफिकेट जनरेट हो
Yes,
जाएगा.
yes, sir.
वही फॉर्म भर देना, हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. Okay. Now, yes. So ready, Kalyani, to launch the classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, 5 things are required when you are launching online classes. There are 5 major things which you need. One is a course idea, a thorough out course idea, and a plan to create. Now, it does not mean that you should have thorough knowledge of complete Vedic mathematics. All the books are necessary. Nothing like that. But you should be clear enough what you are launching and for whom you are launching. I'll give you an example. You might have seen so many advertisements where it is written, learn Vedic mathematics. And generally we overpass that, we overlook them. But sometimes we come across an ad which has written Vedic mathematics, especially for housewives, or specifically for teachers, or especially for school going students of 3rd class. Now that ad, that thing stops us. Because until and unless your audience understands that, yes, that advertisement is for them, they'll not stop at your place. Similarly, when somebody calls you up, or when you are starting your classes or launching, you have to explain it to somebody. So what you'll say, I teach Vedic maths. Then they'll ask you a second question, whom do you teach? If you say, I can teach everyone, the person takes an image, ki yes, she's not having that thorough knowledge, she does not know. So our ideas, our concepts, our manuals, our posters, our advertisement, everything should be clear enough. Am I launching this course for schools going students? First category. Am I launching this course for seniors, teachers, housewives, businesswomen, everyone? Second category. Or I'm just launching it for the people who are appearing for entrance examinations. Third category. Because if you say I'm launching it for housewives, nobody who is appearing for entrance test, they'll not come to you. Correct? And let it be. But whatever your target is, you have to keep that target audience. Now, again, when we talk about school going students, so it's not like you can teach a 3rd class student with a 8th class student. Not possible. A class 3rd, 4th, and 5th, they have a different IQ level. They need to be taught in a different manner. Class 6, 7th, 8th have a different. You can categorize 3rd, 4th, 5th, one category, 4th, 5th, 6th, second category, and 9th, 10th, third category. So that means first major category was students, teachers, or entrance examination. If you have selected students, then also you have to bifurcate which kind of students. And if you go by my advice, class 3 and 4 are the maximum you get admissions, because that is a time when parents are very much worried about their kids. They have just, because class 3rd means they got out from preschool where they were given a separate treatment, and after class 1, class 2, the parents start feeling, oh, my child is lacking somewhere. So again, she starts looking for the new things, for the brain development, for every. So that is where you get the maximum admissions. Got it? So all your concepts, brochures, advertisement, that should be very clear. And even your coordinator, if you are managing it your on own, you should be very specific. Maybe you think you can lose business. No, you will not lose business. You'll gain. Because when you say I specialize in these students, people will come automatically to you. Even if you are losing one person, just think in a way, if you have 10 different people, so you'll have to take 10 different sessions. And if you have one kind of 4 people also, then only one session. So what is more beneficial, you think? Right? Second thing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you see, my advertisement says very clearly, I help teachers. That only teachers should coordinate. Yes, this time we had some students also. So that was a request for which I did. And that's why they have now completed. Right. Second thing, what is required is an email list or a contact list. Now, here I'm calling it as an email list. Why? Because we are launching online. So for online, where you get the reference, where you will be getting the clients initially on the first day. How will you start advertising? So yesterday I asked 2 things. Facebook page. Kalyani, Facebook page banaya?
Not yet, sir. I will do it.
Why I asked Facebook page? Okay, are you on Facebook? Profile hai? Do you have a Facebook profile? Now, what is the difference between a profile and a page? I'll just explain you. See, you might have seen when you put something, post anything regarding your personal, your holidays, your celebrations, or your kids, you get so many number of likes. But when you post regarding your business, nobody bothers. Because that is your profile. So that is why we create a page which means a business profile, which will have an address, which will have a location, which will have a review, which will have a job section, which will have everything which you have for a offline business office. So that is the reason why I asked you. I'll explain you. See, if you have seen mine, www.facebook.com. Now this is common. Slash, if you see Dr. Yogesh Chandna, this is my page. So page has likes, page has reviews. But if you see this one, Dr. Yogesh Chandna .1. This is my profile. You will see here I have friend list. So why will my friend be interested in my business? So for business, like you open an office, every business cannot be started at home, right? For that you always, or even if you're starting at a home, you dedicate one room for that, so that that room is particularly for the business session. Similarly, take it, this is a separate room. This is a separate entity for your business. Third is a group. Now, in your page, you can post. In a profile, you can post. But in a group, anybody can post. Like you did, Kalyani, yesterday. I think you posted homework.
Yes, sir.
So that was a group. Yes, groups could be public, group could be private. So that was a private group. Again, Dr. Yogesh Chandna. But the difference is here, there is group written in between. Nesargi, Kalyani, you did not review yesterday, right? I gave you a review. How did you
Oh.
like the class? Nesargi, you gave, but that was not a review. You just sent a message. You had to click on review part so that everybody can see. See, when you are doing something, when we go to some place, we review that. So this is why page was required, so that you can launch your business. That was the reason I asked yesterday. Correct? You can take a screenshot so that you understand the difference between all the three: group, page, and profile. Taken? Okay. Second, email list. Now, email list does not mean only emails. See, basically, the idea is if you're putting up in an apartment, you have there a lot many people sitting, living along with you, and you have their addresses. So you can start with it, right? Online means if you have an email list, which you can purchase also, which you can collect also, you can put directly a school name or students having, you can get that email list through which you can pass on your messages and you can target the audience, right? So that is the reason. That means you need to have some addresses, some contact list so that you can advertise yourself, right? These are the two important things when you are going to launch your classes. Third thing, a sales page from that is known as a platform from where you launch. Now you are on the net, but you don't know where to launch, how to start. So that is called as a sales page. We'll discuss in depth in the coming slide. So these are the three important things. The fourth important thing is the way to take payments. Now, very easy these days. We have wallets connected to our mobiles also and accounts also. So easily you can transfer into the wallet, GPay, Phone Pay, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Amazon Pay, Bajaj Pay. There are so many options available and which are easy and convenient. But there are times when somebody says, not for this workshop fees, but when fees is there, no sir, I want to pay through credit card, or I want to drop a check in your account, or I want to pay through a demand draft because mine is a company, I have to pay the taxes and all. So you should have all those options also. So we'll discuss again in depth in the coming slide. I'll give you all the ways how to accept payments, right? Because you're working, when you will be launching your classes, definitely you'll be getting business. Business means you'll be getting funds. And the last but not the least, terms and conditions. See, every business, every person has its own terms and conditions. Now, it is not limited to one particular thing. It is entire. For example, let it be monetary. You might have seen so many advertisements offering free of cost. Are we attracted today for free? So my humble request to everyone is never offer your services free of cost. See, if you are not respecting your money, your time, why will the other respect? And if we would have got everything from free of cost, so many videos are already available on YouTube, Udemy, and so many social media. Are we going to learn? Are we getting knowledge through them? Yes, we get an idea, but where to start, how to start, that is a big difference. Correct? So terms and conditions, you have to make it like, I am going to take classes on these days. These are your terms. No refund policy or something like that. So whatever you plan, whatever is your idea, put it in the topic terms and conditions so that you later don't find any discrepancies, any problems must not arise to you. Clear? Whatever comes in your mind, because this cannot be copied. Maybe I am giving something at the cost of 15,000. You might be offering at a 12,000. So that is your terms. Financial, it is yours. And maybe I'm giving books with it. You're not giving books. So that is your term. But everybody would ask you. So if you have that option, yes, these are my terms and conditions. So things are clear right from the beginning. And it is for all. Clear? Any question now?
No, sir.
Okay. So, but again, the things depend on content and delivery. Now, content, if you're joining me, content, you are going to get it. You're going to get the best content, the awarded content, but you need to work on delivery. You need to work on taking classes. So more and more you speak, your fear will be going. So try to utilize more time in discussing. The more you will discuss, the more you'll be able to talk freely. Correct? Now, if you've seen, I have given 2 shows every week, Tuesday and Thursday. Ask me now. Kalyani, you attended. Now, when you attended last time, I think there was nobody that day. Similarly, last workshop, we had 21 teachers from one school. This time we were not having much because they were having elections. Now, what happens? But you need to discuss more and more. The more people you'll interact with, the more knowledge you will also gain, right? And you'll be able to answer them more. The more you'll be able to answer, the more delivery would be perfect, right? So content, you can get it from anywhere in the world. You can buy books, you can get anything. But on delivery part, nobody is going to do it for you. You have to work. In this era, if you're getting global admissions, if you're getting global market, at the same time, you're getting global competition. Got my point? Even when you signed up for the workshop, you might have seen so many people. Then you get it. So this is very important to understand delivery and content. Please work on these 2 things. Now, you know everything. But how people will know that you know it, or you are a trainer, or you are a teacher, and you are one of the best? How people will know? That will come from your post, that will come from your advertisement. Now, why I'm talking about only online teaching, trainings, not offline? Because for offline, you need to set up an office. That needs a huge investment, and through online, through social media, your investment is quite less, at least 100 to 200 times lesser than the offline mode. Because first thing is, you don't need a building. So your laptop is your office and everything you can do while sitting at home. So you need what you need now. You need eye-catching content. That means the media, the graphics. If you see my page, every day we are posting one image, one graphic, one social media post every day, some videos. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is required, because if you have to capture market, if you have to go and search for the clientage, how will you do? How will people know that yes, I teach or you teach? You have to spread your word. And if you'll just write down, I teach Vedic maths, will anybody notice? No, they will notice only if your image is good, if your video is good, if your graphics are good. So where to get it done? There are softwares for this. One such software is Corel, Photoshop. Now, these are the age-old softwares which we use for designing purposes. If you have done some work, you might be knowing this. But these are not possible to do this on your mobile phones. For this, you need a good software, you need a good computer, and initially you need a good person to handle it. So what to do? You have an option now, Canva. Canva is one such software where you get thousands of templates designed. You just have to change the name. That everybody can do. Because when we are posting on internet, then also we make certain changes. We do some image cropping and everything. So same you can do with the Canva, and then you can get good results. The thing over the end point is your images should be good enough to be eye-catching. Then only people will stop. Otherwise, you see, within 1 second, lakhs and lakhs of posts are done. So how people will notice yours? Correct? Similarly, initially you would think, how can I speak so much? Sir, you have experience, so you are speaking. No. For that also, there is a solution. If you remember earlier days when a newsreader used to speak, they used to have a laptop or system in front of them. What was going? There was a matter, there was a content that was floating in front of them, and they were just watching the content and speaking. If you remember Doordarshan time. But now you have so many softwares. The software is called as teleprompter. You can download it free of cost from your Play Store. Teleprompter. What is to be done? Just hold a mobile in front of you, and whatever you have to speak, feed it. That will float in front of you at the speed what you require. And you just feed it and record it. This is how we generally make videos. So similarly, just read it and record it, and nobody would be able to judge that you were saying that you are reading and recording, because you can hold it in such a way. There are things, see, if you have questions, there are solutions. But if you'll not question also, who will provide you the solution? So that is why I will always say, first clear your doubts, questions, queries. Solutions will then only come. If you are mum, you are not speaking anything, how will anybody know that you have some question in your mind? So you are losing yourself. You're losing some opportunities. You're losing some actions. You're losing something. So you need to come up. If you're not able to speak right now, you can chat. If you don't do that also, again, you are losing. How long a person would wait for you? Nasargi, you're getting me? I'm again and again asking, you're not asking any question from me today. So you have to ask, beta. Because unless your doubts are clear, when you'll start teaching, students will ask you so many questions. Then, okay. So remember this name, teleprompter, Canva. Okay, I'll give you. You can take a screenshot of this. These are free images, free videos available on Google. Fonts, color palettes, softwares, these are freely available. So you can have it. Taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now comes your sales page, the platform to launch. Now, before launching the platform, you need to decide one thing. Are you going for a recorded sessions or are you going for a live sessions? So what do you think? Which is good? Yes, Kalyani. Live or recorded?
Live sessions,
Why?
because we interact with them and we know more about them.
Yes. See, there are people, when you'll start launching, there would be people who say, I don't have time, so I need only recorded sessions. Why? Because they are looking for the cost factor only. Recorded, you can record one time and you can sell at any cost. Live means you are making efforts every time. But for mathematics, we do not need such things only. Otherwise, we are not doing justice to the students. Because if I'm giving them the videos at some, even some minor cost, that was freely available on YouTube. So why I am charging? Got my point. And it is maths needs practice. So when you are launching, make sure that it should be live. Yes, recorded version would be given, but you have to be confident enough to explain what is the benefit of live. You need to explain them. Yes, we'll be solving 100 questions that day. So how can you solve 100 questions on recorded version? Because that time you feel, oh, let me not solve. Oh, I'm understanding. You'll say just this way. And maths cannot be understood until it is practiced. This is a very clear fact. If this would have been so, all would have become Vedic maths trainers in India. And we are lacking in them. Second thing you need to work on is you need to decide, are you going for one-on-one classes or group sections? Now, one-on-one, before Corona, people used to opt for this. I'm having international clientage, so people used to opt for this only. Yeah, I'll pay the amount, I just want a single. But now, time has changed. After Corona, people are not having so much of money in their pockets. So they are opting for a group. And it's good also because there you can discuss, there you can understand. If you are not able to ask some question, maybe second person is asking that question. And second way, it becomes cost effective. If you take my case, for a single student, I'm charging somewhere 40,000 for a student. And if it is a group one, I charge some less. So that becomes a advantage. Similarly, you have to make it. What is the sale? How to launch? Where to launch? Now, if you are planning for an online open session, open means like we do on a session like Ask Me Now, where it is free for everyone. So such open sessions, seminars, workshops, meetings, classes, they can be started at any time on Facebook. If you have seen, when you click Facebook, when you are on Facebook, sometimes you receive a notification, XYZ is live now. So what is that? Basically, Facebook is advertising for you. It is promoting your event, because when you are making it live, that means an event. Maybe you are just making a online video, like people in travel, they generally, when they are traveling in car, they make a video because they go live, and the Facebook doesn't know you are playing with it or you are doing something constructive. So that means Facebook is supporting you. Now it is you who have to take that advantage. So thanks these social medias that your advertisement cost has cut down to 1,000 times, I would say. I remember the time when in I'm talking about 2005, sorry. So 2005, I was running one ITI in a very small city, Yamunanagar, and my advertisement cost was more than 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 17 years back. Today, if I have to advertise that much in newspapers, it would be more than 80 to 90 lakhs. And if I have to advertise the same in Facebook, it will not go more than 8,000 rupees. So what is advertisement costs have been cut down. If you try to understand, Facebook is much cheaper, Instagram is much cheaper. So these all options are available to launch your sales. So that is why it is called that sales page. So Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, applications like Udemy, YouTube, LinkedIn, these are the platforms from where you can start your classes, or from where you can start open sessions, so that you start interacting with people. The more you will interact, the more audience will get connected to you, right? LinkedIn is an exception because they don't allow everyone For them, there are certain limitations, but in all other, you can easily go for it. Right? Then we have, when we are thinking, no, we want a paid one, we want restricted, so that whomsoever we allow, only those persons should be there. So for paid or restricted seminars, workshops, meetings, classes, Zoom is one such platform. Like I gave you a password, then only you are able to log in. Google Meet is another such software. Now, why I always ask that don't offer something for free? Because Google is not free, Zoom is not free. It is free for the app, receiver end. If I am delivering a lecture, I'm paying to Zoom also. So when you will be delivering, you also have to take the license version. Otherwise, only 40 minutes are available free of cost. So how can be a class of 40 minutes only? Because 5 minutes you take to start. So 35 minutes. And we generally commit 1 hour. That's my point. So you need to take a license version. So when you are paying to Google, when you are paying electricity bill, when you are paying, when you are investing in your time, your money, why will you not charge? So never ever offer your classes free of cost. You'll not get anything. That is the first rule of business. Now, Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler. These are advanced mode of meetings. Why I'm saying advanced mode, these are known as learning management systems. Now, yesterday you saw, after the class, I shared you a video from YouTube. Now that was open version, public, everybody can see that workshop. But you will not find even a single class in my YouTube channel. Though I have taken thousands of classes, they are there, but it is not publicly viewed. It is all hidden. So I give the link to only those who are attending my classes, the paid one. So this is one of the options which we can do in YouTube. Otherwise, Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler are LMS. LMS means you get one login ID, and login ID means there the classes can be done online as well as the videos would be stored. So you are free enough to check anytime around the year, round the clock. So it is like your login area, but for how long you get it, that depends on the companies. That depends on the trainer. Has he taken it for 1 year only? So he'll be giving it to for your login ID for 1 year. Or if he's good enough, financially sound, he can take it for 2 years, 5 years. But it has a restricted time, definitely, because and all these things are paid, highly paid. So when you are launching it, the method I used, teach on Zoom, and then put it on YouTube and give a link, the hidden link you can share with your, so that we can guide, right? Payment, I said, yes. So all of you know PhonePe, Paytm, GPay. But what if somebody says, no, I want to pay through my credit card? Your fee says, sir, I want to pay in installment through credit card. How can I? You can pay. There are some, you can say, as payment gateways, Instamozo, Razorpay. These are known as payment gateways, with the help of which you can create your ID over there. You can register yourself. Hardly take 5 minutes to register and 48 hours to get it confirmed. You know, when I did this in 2007, it took me 48 days. At that time, we used to get an application, then we used to get it signed from the bank, then we used to send it hard copy to these payment gateways, then they used to get it approved. Now it is matter of seconds to done, and then take 24 to 48 hours to get approved, and then you get the funds directly into your account. But yes, they charge you 3% of transaction fee. So if you are getting 12,000 from somebody, they'll charge 3%. Got it? So that means on every 100 rupees, they'll charge you rupees, right? But now let's say you have to take money from someone who is not in your country, he's abroad. That also media is there. PayPal is such mode. Western Union, so many companies are there. But PayPal, you'll get directly into your account. Again, you need to register and 3% you have to pay. PayPal is online media, right? So from any country you can take. Only Nepal is an exemption. So since I work in Nepal, I know the reason. The only country in the world which does not allow their citizens to pay in foreign. Foreign means any country outside the Nepal. So for that you need to work on it. Otherwise, all the countries allow, right? Any doubts, any questions you have?
Sir, like if I take like classes for kids, like you said, 3rd grade to 5th grade, in the before itself we need to say like in 4 months like that, or just
You have to say,
4 months course.
as a mother, if you are going for your child, will you not ask every question?
Yeah, I will ask how
then-
many months it will take.
Then how can you expect that the mother will not ask you?
3 to 4 months. Okay. Sir.
So all syllabuses are done. See, my books are already awarded. So books are implemented in number of schools. So books are there. If you have not checked the link, you need to check that link, www.yogeshchandna.in/books. There first, there are 6 books related to teacher training module. And after that, there are 2 books of class 3rd, 4th, 5th.
Okay. What is that site, sir?
I shared you the link now. Number of times you don't check the link.
I did, sir, but in the Facebook I have seen, but
no, not it's not Facebook, ma'am. For books, it's not Facebook. I'm just sending you again.
Okay. Sir.
You check it now. It is books.
Okay.
Right. Any other question you have now?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll just tell you what all do we cover in entire syllabus. Right. I'll try to connect it online. I'll try to show you there only. Give me 1 second. I'm sharing you the online. Now, are you able to see this? It's written books. Are you able to see, Kalyani?
Yes, sir.
Books is coming. See, now this has teacher training books. So now hardbound books are also available. Books are available as a Kindle version in Amazon. They are available on Google Play Store.
Okay.
Right. What does we cover? Step 1. See, the books have been divided into 6. There is a lot of disturbance at your back end.
Is it, sir? I have taken a pic of this, sir. I have.
Okay. Yes. So there are 6 books.
Okay, sir.
Step 1 will deal with the introduction, terminology, and then finding the concept.
Oh.
I've just muted you because there was a disturbance at your end. So this was the topic we did yesterday. 8th topic, writing multiplication tables of numbers ending with 9, 19, 29, and 99. So this is where the first step, addition, subtraction. I told one topic I was discussing, simultaneous addition and subtraction. So it is not possible in normal mathematics to do such things. You cannot simultaneously do addition and subtraction. So see how weak is our mathematics. And in Vedic maths, it's very simple as ABC. Second step, when second step is deals with, yes, Nesargi, it deals with multiplication. Now today we were not able to calculate 999 square. What is 999 square? It is 999 into 999. Now with this technique, Nikhilam Sutra, you will be able to say 998001 within 1 second, like you did for 11. Here also, this method is called as Nikhilam. It is with the help of base. So even 5 times 9s into 5 times 9s or 5 times 1, that is also simple. Any number. So entire book of 80 pages, it deals with that. So when I'm training you, I'm giving you these hard books free of cost, as well as taking each and every topic and discussing like we did in these 2 days. Third, it deals with another form of multiplication that is known as Urdhva Sutra, all decimal multiplication. Apart from that, we'll be having special cases. Anteyar Dashke Sutra is there. When the multiplier is 9, 999, 99, or 11 we did yesterday. Right, 111 we did yesterday. 101 is there, 1001 is there. So, and algebraic multiplication. So these are the 3 steps. Fourth step, we'll start with doubling concept. Doubling is again multiplication with 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And it becomes so fast that your both the brains start working. Concept of halving, that is division by 2. And where do we practically use them? That would be explained. Finding the squares. So today we did sixth topic in this method of finding squares. So if you can see how many different methods are there. 6, 7 we did today, and then we did 15th topic. Right. So all these things are there in depth. 30 topics are there. Cubes we did first 22nd topic. Right. 5th book, it deals with division part. Right. There are 5 different techniques of division. So we do that. LCM, HCF, division by 7, that is very important thing. Fractions, percentage, that we do. 6th will lead with square roots, cube roots, imperfect squares, divisibility, what we were talking about. And then algebra, simple equations, multiplication of binomials, division of, we already covered, equation in 3 variables. Now you'll see algebra can be done in a single line also. Yesterday I gave one example. So calendar concept is there, magic squares are there. Even 11 by 11, 13 by 13 square can be done. Right. So these are all the topics which we generally take 68 to 70 hours. And how do we take the classes? There are 2 ways I'll give you. So either it is weekend class. So that means only Saturday and Sunday. Or weekdays. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The timings are, we have 3 timings. Morning 9:30 to 11:30. 6 to 8 p.m. This is AM. This is 6 to 8 p.m. and 9 to 11 p.m. So now we'll be starting only this batch, that too Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All other batches are full. So this batch is going to start scheduled for December 2nd, but maybe extended for 2-3 days because earlier batch is not completed yet. So the first batch that would be starting now is this one, right? So what is the fees is, I'll give you the clarity, 14,999. What do you get in this? One set of books. All the 6 books you will be getting hard copy. Second, all the designs, whatever you have seen in mind, you need not to design yourself. You can say our designers would be changing your name on that. So all such designs are free for you. All letters I deal with the schools, institutions, like if you have to give a proposal to a school, you need a letter, you need a backend. So all letters, all such certificates, yes, I am training in this school, and you get that benefit out of it, right? So all these are for you. Once you have paid for one classes, you whatever doubts are coming, you can attend any other class also being conducted in a week. This workshop you have conducted, if you have missed any part, next week also, again, you can join. Any number of time you can join the same. Once paid means you are there for, right? This was, now any question you have, you ask me,
No, sir.
right?
And sir, other than second, when it will start, sir?
Next year, not now.
That is January.
Yes.
Okay.
What happens is I have certain other schedules also, because
Oh.
live session now, right from I have one on first, second, third, I have in Kushetra. Third, fourth, fifth, I have in Toronto, Canada. Right, live sessions. So I need to work on, tell you that way, right? So this is the reason. So but don't waste time in this. Maybe it's not going to start on second, but 1 or 2 days ahead only. But the tentative date is second only, right?
Okay, sir.
Anything you want to know now?
No, sir.
Yes, Mona.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, then thank you very much. I'll be sharing your homework again. Please do that. Sharing you all the things, videos and certificate, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.